I wanted to share 5 essentials that I can't run my wedding photography business without in 2025. And I think there's no better place to start than the end. How do you deliver your clients' images? Well, if you're still using Dropbox and Google Drive, I gotta tell you to stop that. It is 2025, get with the times, start using an online gallery service. I love CloudSpot because it allows me to quickly upload my clients' photos, build a gallery for them, and then send it. It is super easy. There's a print shop built in so your clients can order save the dates, thank you cards, wedding invitations, prints, canvases, wedding albums, you name it, it's in there, and it makes life so easy. My clients love using it and sharing it with their friends and their family, and I have the unlimited plan, so I never take a gallery offline. They get lifetime access to the gallery. CloudSpot has JPEG Mini built in, and there's a bunch of other integrations within CloudSpot. I can get you a discount of 50% off your first year. That link is in the description below. Guys, I'm going to give you a heads up. A lot of these are affiliate links, but I promise you, I do not share any product or service that I do not already use, that I do not believe in on this channel. I am very particular about what I share with you guys. And the next thing that I do want to share with you is Imagen AI. That is the AI editing program that I use. I cannot live without it in 2025. Imagen AI, essentially what this does, how this works, is you upload a bunch of your Lightroom catalogs right into Imagen. It analyzes your editing style. It builds a profile based on your editing style. And then you can use that profile going forward to streamline your editing process. It's like magic, guys. 2025, it's magic. And so it builds your profile based on your work. So this to me doesn't feel like I'm cheating. It doesn't feel like I'm having some AI come in and completely do the work for me. It is like copying and duplicating and cloning myself to edit, and it edits quicker than I ever could, and honestly, more consistently than I have ever edited in the past. From there, I take it back into Lightroom and I fine-tune my image. So Imagen AI really does all the heavy lifting for me. I love it a lot, and I can get you 1,500 free edits if you hit the link in the description. Like I said, these are all affiliate links, but I believe wholeheartedly in these programs, in these software. So the next one I want to share with you guys is a CRM. And if you don't have a CRM, and if you don't know what that stands for, it's Client Relationship Management Software. Guys, you got to have this in 2025. You got to be able to keep track of your clients. You got to be able to have your business automated, because if your business isn't automated, you're going to be overwhelmed and you're going to be working for your business instead of having your business work for you. So get a CRM. The CRMs that I use are HoneyBook. I've been with HoneyBook for a really long time. I love using it. My entire business is really built on the back of HoneyBook. A lot of automation is built in there. There's a lot of features, a lot of tools within HoneyBook that make it really worthwhile to use. But if you don't want to go with HoneyBook and you don't want to pay a ton of money for a CRM right now, maybe you're just starting out, well, go back and take a look at CloudSpot, because in addition to CloudSpot's galleries, they have a free CRM. Doesn't matter if you sign up for the free gallery or the paid gallery, you get that free CRM built right in there, and you can start invoicing your clients, sending contracts, and doing all sorts of things within CloudSpot Studio, their free CRM. I can't recommend it enough. It makes invoicing clients super easy and sending contracts a breeze. So yeah, I think it's great. Go check that out. I have a few videos on my channel talking about CloudSpot Studio, so go take a look at that if you're looking for a free CRM for photographers. The other thing I can't live without are email templates and questionnaires. Over the last 10 years of my business, I have built up a collection of email templates and questionnaires that I send to every single wedding couple that we work with. If you took these email templates out of my business, I would be absolutely lost. I would not know what to send, would not know where to start. It drives the client experience for me. The emails are so important. And I actually wanted to share those emails with you. You can get my email template and my questionnaire bundle down in the link in the description for $27. It's the cheapest it's ever been. I'm giving you over 50 email templates and a handful of questionnaires that I use personally in my own business. And if you do choose to use HoneyBook or already use it, you can actually import the exact questionnaires from HoneyBook into your own account. So take a look at that. It'll be really easy for you guys to use. I promise you guys are gonna love them, and you're gonna save so much time sending emails that just don't work for you or for your business. The last tool I wanna share with you guys is a tool called Notion. Notion is this powerful note-taking app that really can transform into anything that you want it to be. For me, I use Notion a lot to take notes for consultations, to track those leads, to see, hey, did they book me? Did they ghost me? Did I lose them to a competitor? I rate them based on the call. Was it great, good, okay, or bad? I do a lot of tracking in there, a lot of data analytics and trying to figure out what's working in my business and what isn't. I keep my consultation script in there and take notes on each and every client. The other thing I do there is I have a pricing calculator built, and I want to share all this with you at some point. It's not ready yet, but I want to share these Notion tools with you guys, these Notion templates, because I think Notion is a really powerful tool and really streamlines a lot of things in my business. And so keep an eye out for that. That is going to come soon. But yeah, I can't live without Notion. I don't know what I did with it before I started using it. So, hey, those are 5 tools that I use in my business on a daily basis, on a regular basis. I cannot live without them. And I'd love to know, what tools do you guys use in your business that you can't live without? Leave those in the comments and maybe we'll learn something from one another. But other than that, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video.